Welcome to Center Computer and Application Setting. Today, I will teach you how to create a different profile on Google Chrome. Here are the profiles that are being created here for different people, different users. So I'm going to create a new profile here by clicking here. If you already have a profile, you sign in. In this case, I'm going to continue with an account. I choose the color, type the name. I'm going to make it something. Click OK. Now, you're going to sign in. Okay. Next. Copy the password. Next. Okay. It's going to import the bookmarks and extension. Say yes. Okay. Here is bookmark bar. It's already imported a single website is being saved here. So this is how you create a different profile on Chrome browser. If you want to customize your profile browser, you click here. You can choose a different color that you want. You can see the colors are changing, and there are other settings you can go through here. Toolbar, whatever you want to bring to the toolbar is left for you. If you want download to be here, if you want the history to be here, whatever you want to be here, you click it to be easy to access each time you need them. So this is how you create a different profile, and the necessity of creating a different profile on Chrome, the importance is because if you have a single computer that a lot of you use, this computer, you don't have to use one browser on every one of you. Visiting websites using one browser is not nice. You have to create a separate profile for yourself. So any history or bookmarks that you have is going to be unique to you. Another person is going to use that computer will create his own profile as well. So this is the best way to work, especially when you're working with a computer that you share with people. If you don't share with people after all, it's nice to create a profile on any browser you want to use, either Chrome or Edge or Firefox. But in my own case, my teaching here is on Chrome. So you create a profile on Chrome browser, name it whatever you want it, and it's going to be unique to you. You can protect that profile. You can add a browser log there. I've made a video on how to add browser log, so you can use that to log the profile, and nobody going to access it. It's going to be unique to you. So this is how you're going to create a separate profile on Chrome and use it without anybody having access to it. So if you enjoy this program, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'll be able to bring more videos of your need. Thanks. Have a good day.